everyone, this video is all about expanding brackets, which sounds complicated but it's actually fairly simple. So you need to multiply anything that's outside of the brackets with anything inside of the brackets. So we'll go through some examples now and hopefully this will become a bit clearer. So the main thing you've got to remember with this is that you've got to multiply anything outside the brackets by anything inside the brackets. So we're going to start with this one. So we've got a 3 on the outside and we've got 5x in the middle or inside the brackets. So we do 3 lots of 5x, essentially 3 times 5, which would be 15x, because we're doing 3 lots of 5x. We put the plus sign in, and then we're doing 3 times 2, which would be 6, giving us an answer of 15x plus 6. This next one, we're doing 7 as the outside number, so we've got to multiply everything by 7. So first of all, we got 7 times 3x, which would be 21x, and then 7 times 5, which is 35. Because they're all positive numbers, it's a plus. Next one, we've got 9 times 10y, which would be 90y. Then we've got a take away sign this time, or subtract, so we put the subtraction sign in. 9 times 7, 63. So that can go at the end, giving us 9y subtract 63. And then 3 lots of 11y would be 33y. Subtract 3 times 4, which is 12, giving us an answer of 33y subtract 12. So we're now going to look at some ones which are a little bit more complex. So this first one we're doing is 5x on the outside and then 2x subtract 4 in the middle. So we're still doing our multiplication. So 5 times 2 is 10. And we've still got x's, so we put that. But because we're essentially doing x times x, we are squaring the number, or squaring the letter in this case. So we need to put the squared sign. And then we are doing 5x times 4. We put the subtraction sign in, and then 20x. Because there's an x on the outside, that's why we have an x with every part of the term in the expression. This next one, 3x times 5 would be 15x. So we just put an x on its own because there's not an x next to the 5, it's just next to the 3. We've got our plus sign, and then 3x times 2y would be 6. And then because we've got both letters, we put them alphabetically. So x comes first and then y, giving us an answer of 15x plus 6y. Then this one, we've got 2x times x. So that becomes 2x squared, because we've got both x's, we're doing x times x. And then we've got 2x times y. So because there's only one y, it's essentially 2 times 1. And then we put the xy underneath. So that's a quick walkthrough of how to do expanding brackets. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments box and I'll get back to you. If you found this video useful, please like it and subscribe to the channel, because that will help to get the videos out there. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.